Kusama, back to altcoin overtime. Kusama went vertical so far in November from 360 to 520. Looks like people took profits today. No big deal. There's resistance at 520. To me, even though I've been a big, buy resistance kind of a guy, or buy the dip underneath resistance, you can try that in Kusama, but I'm wondering if the money is better spent on Polkadot itself. So Kusama's been an incredible trade. It's its own universe. I couldn't have imagined when I started talking about it with Oh Hey Maddie and Ian when it was at 21 that I'd be talking about it at 530, a year and so later. Fantom, okay, big breakout above 250. It was at 3, I think the last time I looked at this. Lo and behold, it goes back to 250. So even in the high quality stuff, even in Fantom, you've gotten dips. Now it looks like a momentum trade is on. If this layer 1 push with ETH continues, then I don't see any reason why Fantom can't go to 4. I don't know how total value locked is doing on Fantom. Okay, probably not as good as AVAX and ETH, but I don't think that's going to stop the speculators from possibly taking it from 3 up to 4. Now, Ren, possibly the most constructive story and simultaneously the most annoying price action ever. Ren went down. It was a great leading indicator for DOT. Then DOT's been holding while Ren's been falling. It would be kind of classic to see this break below $1 as kind of a false breakdown. So it's interesting, right? Chart doesn't look good. Therefore, you should think about investing. Wait a minute. That doesn't make sense. You're right. It doesn't, right? Frequently in crypto, you've been paid to buy dips after it's hit resistance. That's counterintuitive. And I'm wondering in Ren, whether it makes sense to buy it when it looks awful, betting that there's going to be a break back above $1 and possibly $1.10. I mean, Forrest was talking about risk reward, right? If there's support around 90 and you can put a stop below 90 cents, your reward in Ren, if the thing goes to like $2 or $3, the way we saw Fantom, all these other layer 1s did something similar. If Ren has a layer 1 capability or the interoperability story picks up as Polkadot, or if Polkadot smokes higher, it's worth it to keep an eye on Ren at $1. Now, MoonRiver, kind of an incredible candlestick today, making a new high and then coming all the way off. Now, this is obviously an amazing trade that's happened this year. And clearly, people decided to harvest some gains on a rush up to 500, which is an even number, and that makes sense. So, yes, I'm presenting the MoonRiver chart, but I'm not saying much about MoonRiver. It looks, it's on an uptrend, and it's at resistance. I think there's less resistance on the Polkadot chart than there is in, say, things like MoonRiver and Kusama. So I think, not investment advice, but DOT may be the better bet. XRP. Yes, XRP. Went to resistance at $1.18. It's had trouble with this level before. It comes off, but it comes back. Now, this could be the power of crypto YouTube. Or what if the next SHIB was XRP? I thought that to myself. In other words, yeah, there's a lot of people who like it, but there's also a lot of people that hate this, and Americans can't get access to it unless it's on a DEX. So I'm like, wow. Would it be funny if the final shocker of 2021 was XRP? Not investment advice. I know big YouTubers are on this, but there's a surprise out there somewhere. There's always a surprise. Hopefully, it's not down, right? Hopefully the next surprise is up and more than we think and in different coins than we think.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.